The NTT or nozzle test tool is a tool that we started designing about 8 years ago, specifically for clients who were making modifications and repairs to pressure vessel nozzles and were trying to avoid having to hydro test the entire pressure vessel. And so some of these tools have been around for a while. There is a couple of things that are unique about the Innovator nozzle test tool. The first is that we are using that combination of compression and self-energization in the way that this tool works. So we initially set the tool against the vessel wall, and then as we increase hydrostatic pressure, the tool responds in kind. Each tool is custom built for the nozzle specific to your application, and so the backing plate that you see is compressed up against an exact replica of the curvature of the nozzle in the pressure vessel. And as a matter of fact, the entire tool, as you see it on screen, is a replica of the nozzle that we fabricate. And what this does is it, one, proves that the tool will work before we bring it to the field, because our way of validating that with almost certainty that the tool will work in the field application is because we've replicated the field application conditions in the tool body itself. The second thing that it does is the tool mock-up that you see, and the tool is inside of the mock-up, becomes its storage device. And so it protects the tool, and it is a specific tool for your application, so that we have certainty that when we go into the field and you are using this huge productivity and cost saving gain over a full vessel hydro test, that you have confidence that the test is going to be successful and that you'll be able to do this productively, safely, and cost effectively. That is the nozzle test tool. We have several dozen of these that we've built over the years, and from time to time we are able to modify existing tools to meet new client needs. But generally speaking, with the nozzle test tool, this is a bespoke, custom-built application for your specific nozzles, and so you want to give some lead time for design and fabricating and testing of the tool prior to your project. Here you can see larger examples of the nozzle test tool in play, and you can imagine how using a nozzle test tool would be a huge productivity and cost effectiveness approach compared to having to do a full pressure vessel hydro test or pressure test, depending on the test medium.